Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves, and today we are going to be walking through a brand new Sea Ray 370 Sundancer. This is the brand new refresh of it. You will have some nice amenities like your sun lounger that you came to love on the 320, as well as a nice cockpit. You're going to have a wonderful sheer shade option, glass sunroof, and removable moonroof that will open up. Plenty of seating back here. They have changed the location of your entertainment package to your port side, so you will still maintain your Kenyon electric grill, your Dometic fridge, and your sink package, as well as a nice countertop. Great option for the brand new 370 is you will have a cockpit air conditioning system, so separate from your cabin. When you do that isinglass in the back, since this is the coupe model, you'll have AC running and heat through this main cockpit. If you come up to the helm, you'll see your two 12-inch Simrad displays. You're going to have your Fusion radio system, your spotlight, all of your controls, and then your twin Mercury throttles over here. Since it is a twin motor, you will have joystick that will allow you to easily maneuver this boat around the docks and tight spaces. If you follow me to the bow, you'll notice that there's no steps on this model. You walk straight up. You'll have some storage up underneath the seats in the bow that will control. And then you have a wonderful seating back here. Flip down armrest if you want to have some armrest and space. As we walk back into the boat, we can now go down into the cabin. Wonderful slide on this. Nice deep steps, and again, plenty of headroom on this new model. 370 will come with, again, a nice little suite in here that will give you another sink, another fridge, another microwave. You will have a separate VHF radio system down below. Your front entertainment space that will convert into your bow stateroom. Nice big wet head and dry head, so you will have a separate shower to the left. And then up underneath you will have your entertainment space. This will convert into your second sleeping area to make this a 4-person boat. If you have any questions about this new 370 or any of the other Sea Rays in the lineup, please go to the link in the description below and give us a call.